Aloha, my name's Kevin Sullivan. I own a surf school called Local Pros Maui. During the Lahaina fires last year, I lost my whole business, my surfboards, reef shoes, rash guard, surf school truck. So after the fire, it was hard to get back on the feet. Tourism shut down, and it's still pretty slow right now. And Trilogy came and gave us, I think, a $12,000 or $15,000 grant. It helped me get more rash guards, reef shoes, and surfboard. I think I spent like 17 grand on new surfboards for the business, 3,000 on reef shoes, 3,500 on rash guards. A storage unit now, because I operated out of my house, so now I operate out of a storage unit. That's $700 a month. So the 15,000, all of it went towards a little bit of all my expenses that I had to pay for to get going, rebuild it again. Thank you guys, Trilogy, for setting us up, and all the donations, all the affiliates that helped with donating money to all the business owners on Maui. We really appreciate it.
Aloha, my name is David Phelps. I've ran a videography business here in Lahaina for the past 11 years. We provide commercial videos for local businesses, as well as filming events and weddings here on the island. On August 8th, the wildfire that hit Lahaina burned down our office, so we lost all of our computers, hard drives, equipment that we used to do our work. When the Global Empowerment Mission and Trilogy reached out offering a grant, we were really excited to be able to replace some of our equipment and get back to work. So I just want to send out a big thank you to the Global Empowerment Movement, to Trilogy, to everyone that donated, everyone that was involved. I just hope that you know it's been a huge impact to our local small businesses here. I know personally many businesses that were able to benefit from those grants and able to get back to work, get back to providing for their family, get back to contributing to this community and building it back up and getting it back where it was. So we've got a long road ahead of us, but we're encouraged and we're very thankful. So thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
Trilogy, I can't thank you and your team enough for everything that you did for the block. Without your donation, I would not have been able to get the flooring done the way I did. The fact that I'm able to even have the opportunity to open my doors is I couldn't be more grateful. This place is a home, I mean, not just to me, but to so many people that lost theirs, including me here in this area. It's like a beacon of hope. I rebuilt this place with the basis of trying to be a light at the end of the tunnel, that Lahaina can build themselves back. It can be better than it was, and I wanted the block to be an example of that we can really make a change. And although that we lost literally everything, it doesn't mean that it's lost. We can build it back, we can make it better than it was, we can learn from the past, we can learn from what happened, and create a future that's even better for everybody in it. Trilogy, you guys literally saved me. You saved all of our lives, my entire family here at the block. We thank you. Without you, it wouldn't have been able to happen. We love you. Aloha. Thank you.
So it is my family. It's all a family business. My brother-in-law, my sister-in-law, we all lost our homes. So we all got relocated, and he lost all of his boards, all of his equipment. A lot of our clientele has moved off island or has moved to other parts of the island. So it's going to continue to impact for quite a long time. We pride ourselves in our instructors, and we pride ourselves in being able to pay a livable wage in a place that is a struggle. Sometimes multiple jobs are necessary. So throughout this fire, all our coaches were impacted in one way or another. And it was important for us to continue to keep that wage consistent through all of the ups and downs of what we're dealing with. So just being able to pay our coaches that livable wage and continue to do that while also rebuilding and buying boards, it was a really nice buffer to be able to, for myself, being the one that pays everybody and looking at the finances, it gave me a lot of peace of mind to be able to say, you know what, you're going to still be paid. We're going to still be able to get you work and get boards. And yeah, it eased the stress in a very stressful situation.
Aloha, my name is Schweitzer. I'm from Lahaina, Hawaii, born and raised here, and I am the owner of Island Eye Productions. Been in business doing photography and cinematography here in Lahaina since about 2010, 2011. Past year it's been a struggle for everyone. And I truly feel like one of the most fortunate people here because I still had a roof over my head, but business itself completely stopped that day, and our lives changed, and we dedicated everything we could to just helping the community. Nobody thought about funds, nobody thought about anything else. All we were thinking about for months and months and months was just how to help our neighbors, how to help people just get back on their feet. And I think Lahaina as a community, Maui as a community just did such an amazing job that it's an inspiration to the world. So since August 8th, I have really decided to dedicate myself to telling the story of Lahaina, trying to make a documentary from the community's standpoint, trying to get interviews from every single person in the community and put this story together. It's the most important work I've ever done in my life besides raising my children, and I wish it's something we didn't have to be talking about. I wish we weren't here right now, but we are, and I just feel really pulled to help and do anything I can, and storytelling and filmmaking is how I do so. And because of little help like Trilogy and other people, I really had the opportunity to put my head down and know that this film is going to get finished, you know. So there's nothing but appreciation and gratitude to the Trilogy and everyone else that has helped me and my company be able to put the blood, sweat, tears, and time into creating this film. You guys have really have made a difference, so thank you.